Everyone, I'm here with an exciting new update to the ThoughtMetric Custom Reports feature. We've added a new widget, the goal widget, which is great for tracking progress for metrics like total sales, orders, add to carts, and more. And I'm going to show you how you are going to add this widget. So at the top, go to Add Widget, and then under Custom Widgets, you're going to select Goal. Now you're going to select your metric. So for this one, I'm going to do add to carts, and then you're going to enter your value. I'm going to enter 1,000 and then pick the time range. So I'm going to go back to May. And then I'm going to create the widget. So there it is. It was very easy to get that added. And when you want to either change the time range or the target value, you can easily do that by just going in and editing the widget.